exactly like naga chilies, shaped as a naga chili, but the color is purple. It's a very beautiful looking color, still nice and tender. Wow. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 9th of July 2025, and I thought I'll give you an update on our chili plant and do a bit of harvesting. Now I have a chili plant here, and it's producing, mashallah, it's producing lots of nice looking chilies. Now the chilies, they look a lot like naga chilies. The color is purple, and then I can see it's turning its color into white. Now this variety chilies I'm growing for the first time. I think my wife took some seeds of her friends, and she was told it's white naga chilies. Now looking at the chilies, they look exactly like naga chilies, shaped as a naga chili, but the color is purple. It's a very beautiful looking color, and then I can see it's turning slightly whitish, so maybe it will turn to white color. Now I've tried a chili the other day. It's not very spicy. It's not spicy as naga, and it doesn't have as much fragrance as a naga. So just wondering, is anyone growing this chili variety? Is anyone growing this variety of chilies? If you do, let me know what variety this is, because the chili looks absolutely beautiful. The plant, the color, everything is so nice, and the chilies, as you can see, look so beautiful. We are getting plenty of chilies, and beautiful looking chilies. This variety, I got them from Turkey. They can grow up to half a foot long, these chilies. Not too spicy, but sometimes I like chilies less spicy. This is good. This is the canned chili, and these chilies are the Thai red chilies. Getting plenty on the chilies. There's so many chilies on this plant. Beautiful. Oh, very beautiful color of this khoddu. I know this. Still nice and tender. Beautiful. Now this one is still too small. I think this should remain on the plant for another few more days. Let's leave this on the plant for a few more days. Oh, my lolly cat, she's so lazy today. You know, she's older than my son. She's 19 years old now. We had her for 19 years. This is our first bitter gourd. This is a female flower, and I pollinated the other day, hand pollinated. I'm hoping this would survive, and this will turn into a fruit. Maybe this will be our first bitter gourd of 2025. But I'm so happy. I'm glad I've planted this variety inside the greenhouse. Last few years I've been growing those long cylinder khodus, and they've taken my trellis down. These are just the right size for the greenhouse, and these khodus are really nice. I must say they're very tasty. Wow. If you're growing this variety, don't grow them too big. They taste very nice in this size. Wow, beautiful. These cucumbers here, they're ready. Wow. We had so many cucumbers we harvested in this greenhouse. Beautiful looking cucumbers. I like these mini cucumbers. It's not so mini now, it's grown quite big, but they are nice. I like them. I'm going to my brother's house now, so I'm going to take some produce and share with them. Tomatoes. We have so many tomatoes. Wow. Beautiful. So satisfying when you harvest your own produce. Now let's harvest a few ghost peppers. Look at this. I have so many ghost peppers on this plant. So delightful to watch. So beautiful. Now these chilies are very spicy. This is amazing. This is absolutely beautiful to watch. I have so many beautiful looking white long brinjal, and I'm going to be harvesting a few today. Share with my brother. Now this variety I'm growing for the first time is producing so many brinjal for us. I've got about 2 plants, and I normally grow the white casper, the round one, but this is a long variety. Wow, look at them. They are amazing to watch. That should be enough for today. And the more you harvest from the plant will produce more. That's it. Wow, look at them, beautiful, so satisfying. Amazing harvest, really satisfied. Beautiful looking khoddu, smells fresh. Really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share the video with friends and family. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.